Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you an amazing chicken marinade recipe. I seriously can't stop making this chicken marinade because it makes my chicken so juicy and tender. Before we get started with the recipe, I just want to talk about today's sponsor. This video is kindly sponsored by Chefavor. They sent me their smart grill with air fryer combo to use in today's video. This product has 7 cooking functions. You can use it to air fry, grill, bake, and so much more. Can't wait to show you how I utilized it to make this deliciously tender marinated chicken. Let's get started. We're going to start by making the chicken marinade. I'm using a mortar and pestle to make it. I went ahead and peeled a whole bunch of garlic. I'm going to throw those into the mortar. Next, I'm going to add a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Make sure you peel off the leaves from each sprig. Next, I'm adding some whole peppercorns. I'm adding some salt. Then I'm using the pestle to grind everything together. Once everything is grounded, I'm going to add a whole bunch of fresh basil leaves. Make sure you pluck the leaves and grind them a little bit at a time. Top with some olive oil, and then you're going to keep grinding and adding more leaves and olive oil until you get to this consistency. So once we've achieved a paste like this, we're going to add some fresh lemon juice. Make sure you spoon out any seeds that get in there. Mix the lemon juice in, and that's all we need to do for the marinade. This garlic basil marinade has an amazing smell. It's very good on chicken. It'll make your chicken very juicy and tender. Alright, now I'm going to show you how I use the marinade on chicken breast. First, you want to pound your chicken. Pounding the chicken will even out the thickness, that way they can all cook evenly. If you don't pound your chicken, the thicker part will take longer to cook than the thinner part. And by the time the thicker part has finished cooking, the thinner part will be completely dry. So you always want to pound your chicken breast. I'm going to place the chicken into a large mixing bowl, then add the garlic basil marinade. Go ahead and toss everything together very well. The marinade has such a pleasant flavor. It smells so fresh and delicious. Once everything is mixed in, I'm going to cover the chicken with a saran wrap. Then I'll place this in the fridge to marinate for 8 hours. That way the chicken can soak in all those delicious flavors. Once your chicken has finished marinating, you can grill or bake them in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. I'm using the Chefavor grill and air fryer combo to cook my chicken today. This gadget comes with a grill plate for grilling, an air fryer basket for air frying, and a baking pan for baking or roasting. So you can do all kinds of cooking in here. I'm going to place my chicken over the grill. The grill comes with a smart thermometer. The thermometer will tell you the temperature of the chicken throughout the cooking process. That way you don't overcook or undercook your chicken. I'm going to place the hood on. I selected chicken, so the grill automatically knows how long to cook it for. One thing I love about the Chefavor grill is you can see your food while it's cooking, and the grill is smokeless, so it's perfect for indoor grilling. Once the chicken is well cooked, the grill will alert you to get the food. This is what the chicken looks like. I like the beautiful golden brown color on the outside. The aroma is so delicious. The garlic basil marinade has such an amazing flavor. It's so easy to cut through the chicken because the marinade makes it very juicy and tender. The chicken is so soft. Look at how it pulls apart very easily. If you guys want to try the garlic basil marinade, I'll leave all ingredients in the description box. I'm going to show you some more cooking with the Chefavor air fryer and grill combo. I'm going to try the air fryer function to air fry some potatoes. These are cut up potatoes that I oiled and seasoned with salt, pepper, and oregano. I'm going to let these air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. This is what the potatoes look like. The air fryer cooks them very fast and deliciously crispy on the outside. I love using the air fryer because you can use it to fry healthy foods with little to no oil. Another thing I want to mention about the Chefavor grill combo is you can cook your food with the lid open. So for instance, if you want to sear chicken, steak, or stir fry some vegetables, you can do that with the lid completely open. The size of the Chefavor grill combo is extra large, so you can fit a lot of food in here. Aside grilling and air frying, you can also use this to bake, broil, roast, and dehydrate food. I highly recommend this product if you're looking for something like this. It's very versatile in the kitchen. You can use my link in the description box to get this product for 20% off. Chefavor will also choose 10 commenters who followed your Facebook page to get this for $99, which is more than half the sale price. Thank you so much to Chefavor for partnering with me today, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I am done.
Okay. Hello. Can you hit on your lap with that thing?
No, Ali. Mommy's done.